Welcome to ToonSpark Kids, where fun, learning, and adventure come alive. Let's learn, sing, and have fun together. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another wonderful day at Sunshine School. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Good morning, boys and girls. Let's start our day together. Please follow me to the playground for our morning assembly. Excellent! Stand straight and make beautiful lines. Let's close our eyes and say our morning prayer together.
Thank you for this beautiful day, for learning, friendship, and happiness.
Wonderful job, everyone! Now let's walk to our classroom quietly and safely. Stay in your lines and keep your hands by your sides. Welcome to our English class. Everyone find your seat and get ready to learn. Ready to learn. Today we're learning English through music and fun. Let's start with the alphabet song. V, Emma.
H-I-J-K L-M-N-O-P N-O-P
Q-R-S-T-U-N-V Q-U-N-V
H-I-J-K L-M-N-O-P N-O-P
Amazing singing, everyone! Now let's sing If You're Happy and You Know It.
Apple!
Apple, ball, and cat. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, jump around. Fantastic dancing, boys and girls. Let's learn some English words. Hello, everyone! A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. B is for ball. C is for cat.
Great job!
Great job! You're learning so fast. I'm proud of all of you today. Thank you for joining our English class. See you next time, friends!